Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen to your party chat or someone on your PlayStation 5. So if you're in a party, it makes it very easy. So I can just go to my party under game base and then go to my party chat right now. And there's going to be a few options just on the top here. So you can see share screen, share play. So if I just want them to watch, go to share screen. If I want them to play, go to share play. So let's just go to share screen. And then we have the option to start viewer interactions. If we don't want people like typing something or moving their thumbsticks around on our screen, turning off viewer interactions. People will be able to display their little icon on your screen. That can get annoying, so you might want to turn that on or off. Or like little emojis, if you do something cool, they can smile or be angry. So let's go to start share screen right here. And people will be able to view our PlayStation, what we're viewing right now, and this is kind of cool. So I got no one watching, so other people in my party can join and start watching what I'm doing. And then I can go to share screen right here, and I can stop it at any point in time. So if you want to have your friends view your screen, very easy to go ahead and just do this at any point in time. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.